Okay, you guys, I am working for y'all today, okay? Welcome to the channel, Always Occupied, home product and reviews. I have here the Ryobi HP Brushless 3/8 impact wrench, okay? I've been wanting an impact wrench for so long, years, okay? I got this because, you know, it's easy to take off. Hopefully it'll be easy to take off the lug nuts on my car or anybody's car, okay? Now this thing says 160 foot-pounds of torque with 4-mode control, okay? Now I don't know nothing about the old one. Maybe you could see a channel that compares it, but me, I'm just reviewing the new one, okay? Now I went in the store for the 1/2 inch. I want the 1/2 inch, all right? It said it has 7 in stock. I look like a fiend. And I mean, I look like a fiend. You know when you go in the tool section in Home Depot and it says, dee-doo, and you can see the security guy looking at you? I bet you he was looking at me laughing, okay? I was looking for the 1/2 inch, but I got this. I'll test it. So let's open this up. I'm a Ryobi fiend, just to let y'all know. But let me know what tools y'all use. I'll consider about using a different tool or testing it out. Or let me know what tools y'all want me to test out. I'll test it out. Dun, dun, dun. Dang, this thing is small. This is nice. Very small, but this is what comes in the box. This is all you get. All right. You don't get the batteries. Me, I already have Ryobi batteries. I have a lot of Ryobi tools, a whole lot of Ryobi tools. Even have a Ryobi vacuum cleaner. Okay, never did a review on it. You know, I'm gonna start reviewing half of the I bought. Y'all know what I was ready to say, but I had to block that out. Daggone cicada, man. All right, right here. You get all types of stuff. So you got the instructions. Don't really need instructions. I mean, a lot of this stuff is self-explanatory, but where are the 4 modes at? Y'all said 4 modes. Where you at? Okay, here we go. So you got your different modes down here on the bottom. You have a light. Let me find a Ryobi battery real quick, and then I'll get back with y'all. Found the battery. Got the one off my vacuum cleaner. Same battery, 4 amps. All right. All right. So you got the light right here on the bottom. It's on mode 3. Then it got A. 1, 2, 3, A. What is A? What do A mean? What do A mean? A means auto mode. 3 is high, 2 is medium, 1 is low. Okay? So whatever auto mode means, auto is auto. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, auto mode. So I'll do it again for y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, this is, like I said, this is a 3/8. I was looking for a 1/2 inch. Okay. Once again, this 3/8 was, what was it? $120. $120. Okay. The 1/2 inch is $30 more. So I'd rather have paid $30 more to get something more powerful. But we're gonna see if this takes the lug nuts off of our car. Okay, you guys, like I said, I wanted a 1/2 inch because I have 1/2 inch sockets. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to convert. So if you have a reducer from 3/8 to your 1/2 inch, then you shouldn't have no problems. Okay. All right, get yourself some impact sockets. All right. Now, let's go on low mode. And we all know low mode might not work, but nope. So let's step it up a notch to number 2. Nope. Number 3. So number 3 worked for me. Now, it depends on how tight your lug nuts are. Now, mine are hand tight. I don't go to a mechanic. So if you go to a mechanic, then you probably may need yourself a more powerful impact. All right. See how long that took? I would do good. I would fail if I was at the pit stop of the NASCARs, right? All right. So this is a 1/2 inch socket. Okay, so I use the reducer just to fit it on there, just to demonstrate for y'all. So the HP, okay, this is HP. This is the newer models they coming out with, is the HPs. So it does take off the lug nuts on level 3 we saw. All right. Auto seems crazy, but on the 3rd level it takes it off. Like I said, I'd rather have the 1/2 inch. Okay. And I know y'all probably tired of me saying that, but it just is what it is. You know what I mean? I went there for the 1/2 inch. I looked crazy looking for it. So I gave up and I said, you know what? Let me just get the 3/8. So, I mean, it took the lug nuts off. So, let me try the front and see. All right, we just got finished with the back tire. Now we on the front tire. So let's see. We're on level 3. Took it off. Let's try auto. Auto mode. No, auto mode don't work. Back to level 3. So, as y'all can see, level 3 works. So we're gonna put it back on. And that's that. So let me know if y'all need to know anything else with this. Yeah, I mainly got it. So it could be easier to take the lug nuts off, because I'm tired of using that 4-way right there. You see that thing right there? That is like bringing the dinosaurs back. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's for the caveman, all right? This is for the future. Even though they had this for a long time. So the Ryobi Impact Wrench HP, I'll give it 3.5 stars. Let's bump it up to 4 stars. It took my lug nuts off. So let's bump it up to 4 stars. Now, remember, I do not go to the dealer or an auto mechanic to do any tire work, okay? So, just note that these are hand tightened. Hand tightened, all right? Now, when you do when you go to an auto mechanic shop, they will use their impact wrench, which is 3 times stronger than what they sell in the stores, right? And it will be impossible for you to get your lug nuts off with this. All right, I just know that for a fact. Now, even when you go to the dealer to get stuff done, when you try to take the lug nuts off yourself with that thing, it's going to take a lot. You need a lot of leverage. You need a pole on your socket wrench, and you need a lot of leverage to get your lug nuts off. So with that being said, that is the review of the Ryobi HP Impact Wrench 3/8, not a 1/2 inch. I will get that 1/2 inch. When I get the 1/2 inch, I will do a review. Best believe that. So, like, comment, and subscribe. You never know what I'll review next. I review home product reviews, right? This is home product reviews. So I review stuff for your home. I even work on cars, on my car. So I review stuff for the cars. I review, tools. I review home stuff. So just subscribe to the channel. It's a fun channel. So yeah, that's it. Gently hit that subscribe button and have a good one.